it's Kath. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys some holiday gift sets. Can you believe that it's that time of the year already? Like, where did 2019 go? Oh, I'm not gonna lie, I'm sad that it is officially cold out. Like, I got my sweaters, my coats, my leg warmers, like it is cold. But I am super excited for the holidays because it's my favorite time of the year. And I'm excited to partner with Sephora on this video to show you two gift sets that I just had to get my hands on. Sephora is the go-to place for gifts because they have such a large range of gift sets, from makeup and fragrance to skincare and hair. There is something for everyone to give anyone. Alright, so the two gift sets that I wanted to share with y'all is the Bumble & Bumble BB Sleigh Belle Mega Moisture Set and the Tatcha Skincare for Makeup Lovers Dewy Glow Set. So it's kind of like a one for me, one for you kind of thing we have going on here. So I thought this Bumble & Bumble set was perfect for me to give my mom because she's honestly always coming over my house and asking for my hair products. So I think that she would really love this one. So when you open it up, we have the Hairdresser's Invisible Oil Shampoo and Conditioner. And these come in 2-ounce bottles. And then we have a full-size Hairdresser's Invisible Oil Primer. And I actually really love this primer. I use it all the time. I shared it in one of my summer hair care routine videos a few months ago too. So I'm excited because I think she's gonna love this. These products have a luxurious blend of 6 featherlight oils that help soften, tame, defrizz, detangle, and protect against breakage, all without weighing your hair down. Plus, the primer contains UV protection to help shield your hair from the drying effects of the sun, and that's one of the main reasons why I love it so much. And then for the other gift set, which is for me, we have the Tatcha Skincare for Makeup Lovers Dewy Glow Set. I am so excited, guys. I love Tatcha products so much, so this was a must. I'm so excited. Okay, where do I start? Alright, so first we have the Luminous Dewy Skin Mist, and this has been in my Sephora loves list for like a year, no joke. This can be used before makeup to prep the skin or after makeup to set it, but it's packed with botanical oils and it's just going to give your skin a boost of hydration and an instant glow. Next we have the Dewy Skin Cream, and this is a rich cream that intensely hydrates and seals in moisture for a healthy, radiant look. This is actually such a favorite for so many of my friends, especially those that live in like drier climates like California. I've never tried it personally because my skin is usually combination, but with the weather changes and now we're in cooler months, my skin has actually kind of shifted and become more dry. So I'm excited to start incorporating this into my routine and just get that moisture and that dewy skin that I've always wanted. Alright, next we have the Sik Canvas Protective Primer, and this is a velvety priming balm of pressed silk. It smooths and makes the makeup last longer while keeping it out of the skin, and that really helps to prevent clogged pores and breakouts. And this is actually a multi-purpose primer because you can use it for the face, eyes, and lips. It's super nourishing on the skin and diminishes the look of pores, fine lines, and imperfections for the perfect canvas before your makeup. And for the last one, we have the Violet C Radiant Mask. This is a creamy mask that's packed with brightening Japanese beauty berry, 2 types of vitamin C, and AHAs from 7 fruits to help reveal softer, smoother, and glowing skin. It's really known to help with dullness and uneven texture, dark spots and uneven skin tone, and fine lines and wrinkles. So guys, this is usually a $105 value, but you're getting all of this for $65 just by going with this gift set. That is amazing. I am so excited to play with these. So I'm going to be putting all the links and information for both of these sets down in the description box for you guys so you can get them for yourself and for someone else. Okay, that's it for this video, guys. If you like this style video, let me know, because as I continue to prepare for the holidays and do more shopping at Sephora, I can definitely share my finds with you guys. So make sure you give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already, and press the little bell button next to the subscribe button so you're notified whenever I post a new video and you're not left behind. And I will see you in the next one. Mwah. Be blessed.